Hey, what's up? This is Todd Smith and I'm back with another video. In this video, I want to talk about Korg, the OP6, and how right now there's a limited time sale, $400 off a brand new OP6. Pretty much 50% off. That is one hell of a summer sale by Korg. I myself own the OP6. I have used it in many jams, many tracks, showcased it in many videos, and it's something I definitely plan to keep by my side. The really diverse sound capabilities with the really fun internal step recorder. Whether you're playing it via keys or you're creating something within the sequencer, it can create some really inspirational stuff. If you've been considering the Korg OP6 at all, right now is definitely the best time to do it because you'll never find a better price than $400 brand new. This is a limited time event, and from what I see, it is offered only on Reverb. Some people told me that Sweetwater is doing the same event, but I could not see it listed on their website. But somebody said they're not in stock. But you can call them, mention the Reverb deal, and when you pre-order the ones coming in stock, they will give you that deal. Now, don't shoot the messenger if you go to Sweetwater and that is not the case. That is just something I heard. Reverb is definitely 100%. And another thing that is a guarantee is this is United States only. I know that could be a major bummer to some people who are foreign who maybe want to jump on that deal, but unfortunately it is US only. figured I'd throw that out there, guys. Limited time deal, so strike now if that's something that interests you. And as always, stay positive, stay creative, support each other, and peace.